Welcome back to this week's Coffee and Cha-Chings. Hi, my name is Emily. I'm a top 1% Etsy seller, multi six-figure print-on-demand seller, and mom of two. I somehow found myself in this crazy world of entrepreneurship with zero business experience and zero graphic design experience, but I absolutely love teaching others how to start, grow, and scale their own Etsy shops using the firsthand experience that I have over the last few years. Now, I just want to come today with a little bit of a chat. One of the most common, I would say, criticisms that I get or questions that I get is, why would you share all this information if you're actually a successful Etsy seller? Great question. And honestly, when I first started, I used to kind of think the same thing. Why are all these Etsy gurus out there sharing their trade secrets if they're actually doing it themselves, right? It kind of feels like it would be counterproductive or counterintuitive to what you might think. But I want to just have a talk today about why I personally have chosen to take this path with helping teach others how to start their own print on demand businesses. And I can't speak for other Etsy coaches out there. I don't know everyone's motivations, but the ones that I do know personally, I think they would agree very much with this take on this question. So let me take you back to before I started selling print on demand. I was a career educator. I worked in higher education and I worked for a K-12 business as well. All of my time in those 15 years essentially was spent trying to teach others how to manage their time, how to get good grades, how to study, then also teaching staff and employees how to become the best version of themselves in the workplace. So when I started this Etsy print on demand journey, I started it to potentially build an income so that I could be more flexible, to spend more time with my kids, to be able to pick up my daughter every day from school without worrying about meetings or Zoom calls or any of that. And I honestly am still surprised to this day that it worked. And I truly, if you took me back 3 years ago when I first started my print on demand shop, I never imagined in a million years it would lead to where I am now. Now, why do I share all of that? I share all of that because at the root of who I am personally, I love to teach and train other people. And it is something that I enjoy. And that is a passion of mine, is to be able to share things that I have learned and be able to help others do the same. Now you might be asking, but isn't that taking away sales from your shop? And my answer is no, because when you find success, regardless of where that is, you soon learn that collaboration beats competition any day. I have become good friends with several other Etsy print on demand sellers. And I think all of us would say that being able to collaborate, being able to share with one another, to provide feedback is one of the most important ways to continue to be successful. But not only that, it's to be able to help others grow and develop their own businesses. Because one thing that you learn when you get to a place where you are getting steady sales, where you hit six figures, is that there is so much room at the table for all of us. And so, me sharing how to do this is not going to take away from my sales. It's going to help encourage other people to find their own success in their own way. Now, the last thing is, of course, because you are probably wondering this too, part of it too is as you grow your business, it's important to diversify. It's important to diversify your income streams. It's important to try new things, to challenge yourself. So again, I know one of the most common things I get pushback on is there's no way you're actually successful and then sharing your secrets. And I think you can have that perspective if you want, and that's totally okay. But I do want you to know that the people I have met on this journey who find success with print on demand, who have consistent sales, who build relationships, they approach this with a positive mindset. A mindset of collaborating with others, wanting to work with others, wanting to be able to share feedback, wanting to listen to those who have had success before and try to learn from them. So, regardless of wherever you are in your journey, I hope I have been able to help, even in a super small way. But I wanted just to touch on this because I feel like this is such an important conversation in this space. And I wanted to be real with you and authentic with you about where I'm coming from. So, if you have any other questions about this, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. And also feel free to include any questions for an upcoming Coffee and Cha-Chings video. I look forward to seeing you next week.